Hi, I'm John, and this is my review for the Space Mouse. No, it's not a cartoon, it's the Space Mouse Compact by 3D Connexion. So what is a Space Mouse? It's a mouse for maneuvering in 3D design programs with mouse movements versus keyboard actions. This mouse has 6 degrees of freedom, so what the heck is that? Well, stick around after the intro for the rest of the story. In this review, I will show you how I personally use the Space Mouse. I'll give you information about the mouse and its operation, compatible software programs, and at the end of the video, my thoughts on this mouse. So let's get started. This is the wired version of the Space Mouse Compact by 3D Connexion. They have several other mice in this line of products that have more features and are a bit more costly. They also have wireless versions. The Space Mouse works with Windows and Macs, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. I'll put a link below for more information on the mouse. I paid $129 for the mouse and have been using it for several months. I purchased it primarily for use with Fusion 360, a 3D design and modeling program. I have since used it with several other applications. More information on that later. Out of the box, the mouse comes with a quick start guide and a little desk cover. There's additional software to download for full control over this mouse. 3D Connexion describes the mouse as having a patented 6 degree of freedom sensor specifically designed to manipulate digital content or camera positions in industry-leading CAD applications. Simply push, pull, twist, or tilt the controller cap to intuitively pan, zoom, and rotate your 3D drawing. Your other hand is now free to simultaneously use your standard mouse to select, create, or edit your model. Okay, that was quite a bit of info. Basically, the 6 degrees of freedom allows you to go up and down, left or right, forward and backward, all at the same time, and with twist and rotate action. I use the mouse in my left hand and use an Avaliant vertical mouse in my right hand, and find this combination works well for me. The mouse has 2 buttons which are programmable from the settings menu. They provide direct access to up to 8 optional application commands. You can also modify the presets for your own use, and all the motion speeds are adjustable. The mouse itself is stationary and a bit heavy. It weighs 480 grams, or a little over 1 pound. It has a rubber bottom, has a blue light ring on indicator, a rubber grip controller cap, and it's very comfortable in your hand. This mouse does have a bit of a learning curve. The software has a training program, and it'll take you several hours of use to get the hang of it, but after that you're off to the races. Over the past year, I've also gotten into 3D printing and used Fusion 360 to design models for printing applications. I've also used it with SketchUp and Mesh Mixer. It works great with the Prusa Slicer software for 3D printing. This is a look at the mouse on my desk. Here are a few screenshots with the mouse in action. This is from the tutorial. This is with Fusion 360. And this is Mesh Mixer. This is the Prusa Slicer for 3D printing. So what are my thoughts on the Space Mouse? I like it a lot, and I'm really glad I made this purchase. The mouse gets used on an almost daily basis and is very comfortable to use. If you do any 3D modeling, CAD work, CAD related work, this is almost a no-brainer for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. If you want me to review a product for you, you can reach me at the link below. You just never know what I might be reviewing next. I have since used it with several applications. This mouse does have a little bit of a learning curve. The software has a training program, and it will take you several hours to get you. I use this mouse primarily with Fusion 360 to design parts for my hobby pen business. Over the past year, I've also gotten into 3D. Over the past year, I've also gotten into 3D printing and using. I can't talk today.